What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're taking a look at Aerodrome Finance here this morning, the 8th of September. So we actually getting a decent little bounce off the lows from over the weekend. Take a zoom in here. I want to welcome the channel, all the new subs, by the way. Appreciate you guys. So let's see here. Friday, we hit a low on Friday of 49,251. Started off Saturday with a higher low. That's great. And then today, Sunday, we also have a higher low but a lower high. So we're in this little miniature triangle here this weekend. So it's good to see that we have a higher low here that started on Saturday. It's still holding. The lows are in place on Friday. So essentially what we like to see is a turnaround with a higher daily low. And then at some point, sometimes in the same day, sometimes not, making our way into new higher highs. So lower lows, lower highs to higher lows and higher highs. So far, we don't have the higher high yet. Friday's high is still higher than Saturday as well as Sunday. So a lot going on in just those three bars, but just how I look at the markets. So we'll see. Again, we have potential resistance. It would be 55.52 up here, 5552. So we could see a pretty strong market rebound here before finding any real trouble. About a 5 to 6%, 5.5% move before the markets, I think, really find any resistance up there around 5.7 percent higher. Again, that's at 55.52 right here, 55.52. So we could, no guarantees we're going to get up that far, but if we do, I would expect a little bit of resistance up there, for a period of time. Period of time could just be a day or two. Above that, 58.756, and then above that, 61.10 right up here, 61.10, 58.756. This is all off these markets rally. Let's see here. Yeah, about a 5.5% up to 55.52. 58.756 is a 12%, and 61.10 is about a 16% move, which would take Aerodrome right into this longer term overhead resistance line. You could see it's really pushed the price back down multiple times back here in July, as well as just recently in August. So that's overhead. If we get basically a dead cat bounce here where, this either fades at or below 55.52, and we start to see something like this below the market, which we spoke about yesterday, which is a new price level, 43,633. 43,633 right here, guys. Supposed to have a 0 in front of it, so it's 0.43633. It's possible. We'll see. We'll see if the futures markets tonight, Sunday evening, open up down or head lower throughout the night. We had a pretty bad close on Friday. So down here, 43,633 from where the price currently is, which is at 52,432. You're going to be, that's about a 16.7% move lower from where the current trading price is, which is going to take you down to where these markets V-bottomed back in here on the 4th and the 5th of July this past summer. So we'll see. A lot going on here. We're kind of in that neutral zone here. I think we're going to see some kind of a bounce here, at least back up to 55.52. I don't think we'll make it up there today, though. That'd be a big move for a Sunday or a weekend, but it's possible. And then I think they're going to pull the plug on the markets, and we head down on our way down to 43,633. So those are just my opinions. That's about all they're worth there. But we're in that neutral zone here, and the real price levels are 55, 52, and 43, 633. We're just about sitting there in no man's land. We have seen some major bottoms. We saw a major bottom down here around 46. So this one came in about 42. So the one at 49, could hold for a bit. Take us up to 55, 52. So that's pretty much it for Aerodrome for this Sunday. Drop over to Bitcoin. Let's see where Bitcoin found some support. Let's see here. Bitcoin, you can see it's backing off a little bit. We reversed through it yesterday, and today we were just about above it, and now we're back at it. The 54,599 level acting as a little bit of resistance. It's acted as support in the past back here in July. It was support over here in August, and we'll see if it acts as support here again in September. Once again, that's this blue line on the chart. That's 54,599.76. So we'll see if that holds as some market support. Above that is 55,577.60. Still bullish here on Bitcoin long term. Whether it happens this time around or we go into a deeper correction, this very large consolidation will take the markets up a lot higher, a lot higher. We'll probably see a six-figure Bitcoin from this consolidation. Maybe this month is sideways to choppy, and then we rally into the election, and then from there, who knows what happens. Guys, thanks for watching. If you are not yet a subscriber to the channel, go ahead and join us here. Let me know your thoughts on Aerodrome, Bitcoin, any other cryptocurrencies you want me to check out. You guys have a great day. Of course, not financial advice.